Sealing the deal. Understanding. Seal a leak. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, seal a leak. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really boost your English skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, seal a leak, consists of two key words, seal and leak. To seal something means to close it tightly so that nothing can pass through. A leak is a small hole or crack through which liquid or gas can escape. So, when we seal a leak, we are closing or fixing a leak to stop the escape of liquid or gas. Seal a leak isn't just used in its literal sense. It can also be metaphorical. For example, in business or politics, sealing a leak might mean preventing the spread of information. It's important to understand the context to know whether the phrase is being used literally or figuratively. Let's see how seal a leak can be used in different sentences. 1. Literal. The plumber came to seal the leak in the pipes. 2. Figurative. The company needs to seal the leak of confidential information immediately. Notice how the meaning changes slightly depending on the context. When learning this phrase, be careful not to confuse seal with similar sounding words like sell or sealing. Also, remember that leak in this phrase is a noun, not a verb. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, seal a leak, better. Whether it's fixing a pipe or keeping a secret, this phrase is quite handy in English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using it in your own sentences. See you in the next video.